welcome to this week's studio vlog. Today's Monday and just gonna get a few things done today. I managed to actually carve out the eyes that I showed you in my last vlog of the fox head that I molded. So this is what we have. I still need to do a little bit more work with it, just around the eyes, just to neaten it up a little bit, but yeah, it's got nice green eyes, so hopefully I can make a start on it this week. And so I'm thinking it's gonna be like pink themed, so we'll see how that goes. So I got a bit of photoshopping to do this week, and I'm gonna upload my video for tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see what I can get done, and then just get some things prepared for Thursday, for my day that I can actually do a lot of work. So yeah, I'm gonna edit some photos for my watercolor Misty Autumn collection, and then yeah, just tinker around and see what I can get done. So I'll catch up with you. Today I bought some new little supplies for a project that I've been working on for a while. I haven't shared it yet because it's something a bit different. It is a sculpture, but I'm not telling you which one. It is, I can tell you that it is one of my older dolls that I decided to bring back in a sculpture form, but I'll leave it at that. Okay. But I can show you some of the colours of Fimo that I got. Maybe that will allude to what character it actually is. So I got Fimo white, I got Fimo black, and I got Fimo Pacific blue. So only 3 colours, and these are to sort of finish off my sculpture that I'm doing. And hopefully have that finished in the next couple of weeks. It has been a long project that I've been working on, but do stay tuned because I will show you a little sneak peek, and I do have like little snippets and stuff of me making it. It was just a little bit hard to film when I'm sculpting it because I like to sort of move around, and I'm not a very I'm a bit of a messy sculptor, so yeah, there's not much footage of it's me sculpting because it was a kind of an experiment anyway. So yeah, but I want to release it with like a different couple of things, like a watercolor maybe of that particular creature, a sticker set, and I don't know, something else. I don't know, have to decide and have a think on that, what I want to do, if I want to do like a recreation of that posable doll as well. So there's an idea, didn't think of that. With my new fox sculpt, which is this one, maybe I'll do that as well. And I also got a little sketch pad for watercolors, so I can just play around with some because people complain that my watercolor is not good enough. And so this one is a hot press one. It's just like, it's not a great one because I normally use Arches or I forgot the brand name of it, Carney or something, which are 100% cotton, but this one is 25% cotton and it is hot press. I don't usually buy hot press, and it's really, really smooth, which I'm not really used to using because I quite like textured paper, and I like messy looking paper. It looks a bit more organic in my opinion, but I just got that for some sketching. So I'll be probably working with that for the next couple of weeks and just playing around with my watercolors. So I'm gonna get to work and then I'll catch up again. Hey guys, today's Thursday, so that means I can get some work done today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish off my wildcat, so hopefully that'll be done by next week. I know Cricut Design Space is still having some issues, so I won't be able to get any stickers done, probably not anyway, but I am working on some more, like a second set of stickers, but that might be for like a different release. But while the Design Space isn't working, I thought I might get some of that work done. And then I'm going to think about doing some work on some new dolls. So I have 2 in mind, so I could probably start with the fur and start casting. So one of them is the fox, which you've already seen, which is this one. Already seen it. But the next one I'm going to do is a bear cub. So the bear cub's actually quite big because it was originally sculpted for the Calgary Zoo for a panda cub. But I did make a mold of it so I can make other ones in the future. So I've got some eyeballs that I want to cast inside of the head. So I can get that sort of done today. And then yeah, just see where that takes me. So my Misty Forest set is going up tomorrow, but it'll probably already be up by the time you see this video. So I'm just getting some things prepared for that launch. And yeah, so join me. So right now I'm gonna go and cast my bear parts. So find a place to put you. So I've got my eyes. I just need to find my bear mold for, what are these? Nope. Oh. I need to open a brand new box of resin for this one because I used all my other ones and that's empty. So let's move this stuff over here. And I can open this. So in the tutorial I go through where I get my resin from and give you a couple examples from some other resins. So sometimes it leaks, which is really annoying because sometimes that can affect the resin, like how it cures and stuff. But usually, I've had it happen a couple of times, but usually if that's something wrong with the resin and it's been leaking or if it's open, they're usually pretty good and will just give me a brand new box. So yeah, if you buy resin from Barnes and it's a bit off, like it's not curing or something, just let them know and chances are they'll just give you a brand new box of resin. And just a note, don't do it in good clothing like I do. Let that sit for a little while. I will just quickly recap my resin because just a little tip, don't leave resin open for too long because sometimes the humidity in the air can actually mess with the resin formula, and that sometimes it won't cure. So just a little tip if you have sensitive resin. This one from Barnes isn't too bad. I use Easy Cast, so it's not too bad when it comes to sensitivity. So while that's curing, I still need to cast 2 more parts of the bear. I need to pick out some of my furs that I want to use on the next 2 dolls, so you can have a look at my fur stash. It's crazy. So I have bins and bins and bins of fur. I have it stashed everywhere because I'm a hoarder. So I'm just gonna quickly pick out some of my fur. So this one is going to be for the fox, and I kind of hoarded this fur for a little while, so I know exactly where it is. So it's a nice pink fur. It's like a nice rose pink fur, and it's really, really good quality. So I used it once on one of my other dolls, just a little bit of it, but this time I want to pair it up with some black. So I'll get that ready. I also picked up this fur, which would work really well with the fox as well, because it's the same kind of colour. Update you with what I've done today. Where is the stuff? So I finished off that thundercat that I was working on for the last couple of weeks. So I have somebody that's interested in it, but if they kind of pull out of it, then it will be available next week, or it would be this week, because you'll be seeing this week. So I'll give you a little look at what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So I added some yellow stripes to the body. So there's stripes on the tail. It's got little markings on the back of the feet. It's got some markings on the legs, and some markings on the face, which I don't know if you can see there. So yeah, this little one is now done. So to get a scale of how big it is, that's what you have. Yeah, so did that today. Cut out a bunch of fur, which I need to actually cut the pieces out. So that's a little sneak peek of one of them. I also cast some bear parts, so I'm going to do another bear doll. So this is what we've got so far. It's got little greeny orange eyes. They are ready to paint. Speaking of paint, I've been working on my dragons, so painted up the inside of the mouth. So it needs a few more layers of stuff, and the teeth to be painted in, and needs some eyeballs, and you know, just a few other things to be done. And that's the other one there. And then we've got the final one in a green. So all base coats are down, and then I'm going to be painting in some more details later on. So I'm just waiting for the mouth to dry, and then I'll add some more layers to it, just to give it some more depth and dimension, because that's what you need to do. So until then, stay tuned. update. So I got a package a doll that's been on layaway for a while, and has finally been paid off. So I'm just going to show you him before he goes to America. This is Mimus, the moon bear cub, and yeah, he's going to go home to America. It's just been paid off. So yeah, I got to package him up now. The bear that I'm currently making is this same shape, so this one's quite a big bear. So nice and cuddly, and has a posable armature in it. It's a ball and socket one, a plastic ball and socket one. So yeah, I'm going to package this one. I've got some free stickers for people that spend over I think it was $300 in my shop, so they get a free sticker set. So I'm going to try and get some sewing done for the rest of the day, and yeah, after I package this one up, and then yeah. Just the end of the day here. I'm going to sign off in a minute, but I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you have any like suggestions or what you want to see in a vlog, just let me know in the comments and I'll try and include them. I'm new to this whole vlog thing, so I don't really know what to put in. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. And if you want to find out anything about my dolls, you can head to my website, creaturesofnat.com, and my shop is on there as well. So there are a couple of critters looking for homes and some other artwork and stuff. So head there if you're interested in anything. And if you want to follow me on my social medias, I have an Instagram and I have a Facebook, and they're both Creatures of Nat, so you can head there and see. So yeah, I'm going to sign off and I'll catch you in the next week's one. Bye!